Alright, that's locks. I wanted to show you my guy here. Of course, it's not quite as cool as yours. Yours is pretty neat, but of course, you know, one of the ways that I had to test mine when I was doing it was, of course, doing a good old zip. Let's see, do it again. Zipping it open, and then you can go after a pack lock too, and I'll show you. I actually will stick my finger in. I was doing it in all fingers. Even the pinky kind of had some nice leverage there, but I just like to keep my finger in there too, and helps kind of keep it guided, and hopefully pick a pack lock with it. How it wants to go. You could even pick a pack lock with it. So yeah, I want to make more, but happy picking, buddy.